lion for weakness. We got our own. Minimum wage they have not paid. Over a month on our dream, we have not. Nigeria worker! Nigeria worker! Ever conscious Nigeria workers! Isoleto! In Africa! In Africa! In Africa! Injury to war! Injury to war! There is victory for us. There is victory for us. In the struggle for our members, there is victory for us. Those of you that have come here for the workers solidarity this morning, please come this way. Yes. And those that are working with the police, you can stay by the fence. Workers come this way. Those working with the police, stay by the fence. And we can have a clear demarcation.
I think we are too happy.
In Africa. The comrades, I want to welcome all of us this morning. I don't know whether the media already bouncing Comrade President. Just take his picture, don't ask him any question yet, please. It's only the police that have right to ask him question today. Don't ask him any question. No. You might be prejudicing the investigation. But that man has so much money in his pocket that he's giving to terrorists. But you can walk out and say you are wearing cap, you are there. This is not a what do they call them, shared movement. Come here if you are a worker, please.
But the government can tell them why we are here.
We are under the workers order, come this way. I'm seeing so many white cows.
Look, this one you will let them go stay.
Yes. Don't tell us why we're here. No, yes.
Wait. You know why you are here? I
No, you don't know why we're here, sir.
But I need to do it. Just for the moment.
It's okay.
Let me just see you to know that.
I'm coming to my office. I'll be back up to the office again.
You meant to understand that you're going to report that the police section today. Is that true?
Yeah.
You are the landlord here. Let me be sure who is
All right, sir.
Bro.
So what was your discussion with the police that led to attending there today?
I don't have any discussion.
You don't know why you're going to the police? No protest?
Can't grant any
Comrades will speak at their proper time.
Why is he here?
Well, comrades, why the president goes up to that 10th floor, nobody believes people have gone up to. We stay here and have some conversation.
Yes.
Thank you, comrades.
So, comrades,
the best brain.
have reached some understanding so that they will not move from terrorism to acid. Our plea is all of us will be available here.
Calm down,
The president and our lawyer will move with about 5 of our national officers to go. I see they say the place is far.
Go back now.
I have to show you the dangerous nature of where they are going to be. So, what I know about Abatua is vulture and bones. So, we will be here. They will go and come back to meet us here. We have clear conscience that the president will go and come back. Where he doesn't come back, then we'll take the next line.
Why they do like this?
Because person when no get strength, he doesn't believe in going late. As a government, he would love to speak to you.
I know come back. I don't come back. Plus, you are very good.
We are going to the police Ajaero together with the president of the Congress. We appreciate if you are way behind. I can assure you we're not going to belong. I can assure you we're not going to belong. Because the president is innocent of all the monstrous allegations leveled against him. So please bear with us. We'll be in touch with you. We'll rush there now and come back.
Move. Let's go back. Go now. You're not going to take one place. That's just what they do. Go side. Doesn't go. Come back small. What is that? Push you. Let me show that. Blood come out now.
So strong. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong. There is victory for us. There is victory for us.
I go push. Move. Boss, you become a man, you need to move now. Just stay one side. But I did the boss there. Wait. Go. Sign the president. What I put president? Wow, I need the boss.
For join you, Ajaero join. Ajaero join.
Madam, I beg.
Yes, hello.
Yes.
Comrade. President.
But I did a job.
tí bá mú sí i wọ́n ní bí àwọn díẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wà wọ́n wá sí ìwà yìí ilé tó kàn sọ pé ní bóyá situation yàtọ̀ sí